This will be a porta potty review on a new home being constructed here at Emerald Isle, just off Landing Drive, and this is Ocean Drive. Let's walk over here and give it a quick review. And the last time I was over here they were just grading this lot, and now this home has come a long way. And there's the builder's name. And this is an advanced portable toilets, Morehead City. Let's go in and take a look at it. And it's very warm in here. Very warm day here anyway. We have our vents, we have our urinal. Actually doesn't smell bad. Looks like it's last cleaned December 23rd. It looks like we have a fairly clean porta potty here. Got one roll of toilet paper and a partial roll. Let's lift this up and see. Yeah, it's a little gross under there. To be expected for a porta potty. Don't see any real graffiti. It's actually pretty clean in here. Let's go check the outside. Very hot in here. And it's sitting on skids. Seems to be very solid. Got our vent pipe up here. And we got a couple of beer bottles. Got to have some beer bottles with your porta potty. I'll give this pretty much a thumbs up. It's in very good condition. Smells good. Solid on the ground. And this is one nice home that they're building here at Emerald Isle, North Carolina.